Hi, my name is Hernan. I'm with Prestige, and we decided to partner up with Came for Miami because we decided to give back to the community. This year, that's one of our goals, is to give as much as back as we can. So that's why we partnered up with Came for Miami, and here's Ashley.
Yeah, we're so thankful at None for Prestige Auto's help. We're going to be packing 500 bags for food insecure kids that otherwise go hungry on the weekends. And so these kids have been identified as not having enough meals to eat, coming to school, and just not having the ability to do what's needed of them in the school. So these bags are going to be so helpful at the beginning of the school year. We're going to make sure they get in the hands of the kids regardless of how school meets this year.
Amen. So we're thankful for that, and we're thankful for all our team partnering up with them. Thank you, guys.